Hello class, let this video guide you in understanding our topic, circular permutation. With this video lesson, our objective is to find the circular permutation of n objects. Let's have this first word problem. In how many ways can Angela, Brian, and Kathy be seated around a circular table? So kung i-arrange natin ang tatlong tao, that is 3 factorial, which is equal to 6. We may come up with the following solution. 6 outcomes. Pero kung mapapansin nyo class, itong unang tatlong illustration, hindi ba pare-pareho lang ang kanilang arrangement? Mapapansin nyo class, ay nagkaroon lang ng rotation between Angela, Brian, and Kathy. Nag-move ng position either clockwise or counterclockwise direction at hindi nagbago yung result nila. So, tingnan natin. Here is Brian. Ang nasa right side niya ay si Kathy at ang nasa left side niya ay si Angela. Second illustration, here is Brian. Katulad ng first illustration or first arrangement natin, ang nasa right side niya ay si Kathy at ang nasa left side niya ay si Angela. With the third illustration, katulad lang din ng unang dalawang illustrations or arrangements. Here's Brian. Ang nasa left side niya ay si Angela at ang nasa right side naman niya ay si Kathy. So, these three arrangements actually ay isang arrangement lang. Pare-pareho lang sila. So, let us put it this way. With Brian, ang nasa left side niya ay si Angela at ang nasa right side niya ay si Kathy. Now, take a look at the last three arrangements. Pare-pareho lang din itong results ng mga to. Kahit pa i-rotate natin or mag-change ng position into clockwise or counterclockwise direction, pare-pareho lang ang kanilang arrangements. Tingnan si Brian again. This time, ang nasa right side na niya ay si Angela at ang nasa left side na niya ay si Kathy. Kapareho nitong second arrangement with Brian, nasa left side niya si Kathy, nasa right side niya si Angela. Nakatulad din nitong third arrangement. So, these three arrangements can be put this way. With Brian, ang nasa right side niya ay si Angela. This time, ang nasa left naman niya ay si Kathy. Now, paano natin isa-solve itong problem na to? Since we are arranging 3 person, that is 3 factorial. Pero since ginawa nating fixed point ang isang object, so yung 3 objects ay babawasan natin ng isa. So we have 3 minus 1 factorial. Again, nagbawas tayo ng isa kasi ginawa nating fixed point yung isang object. At yung natirang objects, yun ang inarrange natin into n factorial ways. So, we have 3 minus 1 factorial. And that is equal to 2 factorial. And 2 factorial is equal to 2. Na dalawa nga ang naging answer natin kanina. How about this word problem? In how many ways can 4 different colored charms be arranged to create a bracelet with no lock? So, if you're going to think of it, circular permutation din to kasi bracelet eh. So, pwede nating sabihin, gagamitin natin yung solution natin kanina, nag-subtract tayo ng 1 para sa fixed point. So, kung 4 objects to ang i-arrange natin in a circle, so we have 4 minus 1 factorial and that is equal to 3 factorial. Ngayon, hindi ba kapag ang mga charms or bracelet, tulad nito, let's say ito yung illustration natin, pwede siyang i-flip or baliktarin. At kapag binaliktad natin siya, pareho lang din ang magiging solusyon. Kasi pagdating sa mga bracelet, mga keyrings, yung mga bagay or na pwedeng i-flip, walang orientation ng clockwise or counterclockwise. Hindi mo ma-identify kung anong nasa kanan, anong nasa kaliwa niya kasi pwede nga siyang i-flip eh. So, in this case, magdodoble yung magiging outcomes natin. So, para maiwasan natin yung doble, so we just have to divide it by 2. So, we have 3 factorial divided by 2. 3 factorial is equal to 6 divided by 2, and the answer is equal to 3. Let's have this word problem. How many necklaces with clasp can be made from 7 different beads? Let's have this illustration. Katulad ng second example, pwede rin itong i-flipped. Now, ang pagkakaiba lang ay ito ay may lock. So, kapag ka may lock, pwede nating i-unlock at makakabuo tayo ng ganyan. This is our illustration. Now, itong 7 different beads na to ay pwede nating i-permute into 7 factorial ways. So, we have 7 factorial. And since nabanggit nga natin kanina na itong necklace ay pwedeng i-flip, we still have to divide it by 2. So, 7 factorial divided by 2 is equal to 2,520. With the 3 word problems, we come up with the following formula in finding the circular permutation of n objects. If the clockwise and counterclockwise orders can be distinguished, tulad ng seating arrangements around the circular table, we will be using this formula n-1 factorial. But if the clockwise and counterclockwise orders cannot be distinguished, tulad ng arrangement ng beads on a bracelet, on necklace, key rings, we will be using these 2 formulas. Without lock, we will be using n-1 factorial divided by 2. But with lock, n factorial divided by 2. So, para mas maintindihan, let's have the following examples. In how many ways can 8 jackets of different styles be hung on a circular rack? So, in this case, the clockwise and counterclockwise orders can be distinguished. So, we will be using the first formula. We have n-1 factorial. So, we have 8 minus 1 factorial equals 7 factorial, and 7 factorial is equal to 5,040. Next, in how many ways can 5 distinct keys be arranged in a key ring? So, key rings, pwede siyang i-flip. So, we will be using the second formula. We have n-1 factorial divided by 2. So, we have 5 minus 1 factorial divided by 2. We have 4 factorial divided by 2. 4 factorial is equal to 24 divided by 2. So, there are 12 ways of arranging the keys in a key ring. For our last problem, how many bracelets with a clasp can be formed from 10 different colored beads? This time, nabanggit na with lock ang i-arrange natin na bracelet. So, we will be using the third formula. We have n factorial divided by 2. We have 10 factorial divided by 2 is equal to 1,814,400. Now, balikan natin ang tatlong formula in finding the circular permutation of n objects. Again, if the clockwise and counterclockwise orders can be distinguished, we use n-1 factorial. If the clockwise and counterclockwise orders cannot be distinguished, we use the other 2 formulas. Kung ang pinag-uusapan natin ay key rings, bracelets, necklace, charms without lock, gagamitin natin ang n-1 factorial divided by 2. Pero kung ang pinag-uusapan natin ay bracelets, necklace, charms, or key rings with lock, we use the third formula, n factorial divided by 2. Happy learning!